Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this is no longer located in your file path. Verify the items location and try again. When you try to delete a file in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7, let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy the text and after copying it, you just need to right click on the desktop and select new. Select text document and now open this text document. Paste the text we copied. After pasting it, select the file tab and select save as and select desktop and type here delete dot bat and click on this drop down and select all files. Select save option to save it and now you just need to close the text document. Now you just need to drag and drop the file. You get this error message just like this. This is the file I get the error. Just drag this file to this bad file. After doing it, now you can able to delete this together guys, just like this. And now you can empty the recycle bin and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.